Yep, she's in. So I don't know, I guess I'm gonna just let my imagination take me where I go on this car. Will be a lot of stuff done to it. I'm gonna start ripping it apart, tearing it down, go ahead and take the motor out, start messing with the shell. Let me get this hood out because my boy's coming back. I'm about to throw away some shit, so I'm actually finna take a lot of this stuff off real quick before he get back, so I can try to get it thrown away so I have less stuff in the garage. So let me set up on a tripod real quick and start taking it apart. All right, we're set. All right, well, I got it all stripped down as far as the front end goes. Thinking about going ahead and taking this door off and letting that go too. I mean, the car's gonna literally stay in the garage. So I need a good door to mock this up anyway, because as y'all can see, it was all jacked up from, I don't know, whoever, whatever, but I'm going to attempt to fix it and make it look decent or somewhat like it was before. But this door is also done too, so I'm not going to be reusing the door. I'll just get a new one. So, and it's sad. I'm just going to get all new seals and everything. So, might well take this door out too, let him take this crap. Everything is broke, but so I can have it to roll the window up. But the door panel's already jacked up. So, actually, I'm gonna keep this door panel. I think it's not bad. Let me take it off and see. I know I'm not gonna be reusing this door for sure. So the cars are already shelled out from the dash. I already got a new one from the junkyard, so that won't be going in yet, but I'm pulling this car apart because I found a hole in the floor under the seat when I put the seat in, so I'm gonna have to weld that up. I don't know if I'm gonna stitch weld the frame, but I am going to be welding up all the loose holes and stuff that we're not gonna be using to make it clean. Do a brake tuck. So it's gonna be a lot of stuff done to this car. It's not a lot of body damage, just a little knickknacks, things here and there. I think this is about the major one on the car. Everything else is like a few of them like that one. And that's really about it as far as the body goes. So it hadn't been touched before, so it's good. So I'm about to get back to taking a lot of this stuff off real quick and getting this thing basically down to bare so I can get a lot of trash out and have the garage clean for what I need to do. So I'm gonna get back to the laps. I guess I'll explain some stuff later, but I mean, it's really, you've probably seen this a million times. But yeah, I just want to get this motor out and get working on the shell. The main thing, I gotta tear the motor down. I'm not gonna do a compression check, so I already done it to show y'all, but cylinder 4 was way low, and I think like 60 when I checked it. So 60 psi, and everything was 150 and up on these, so like 160 and up. But it was a cold motor, so that's bad. So I'm gonna take it apart, check the cylinder. I already know what it is, but yeah. I mean, we ain't got nothing to do. Better do it out time anyway. Plus, I've always wanted to just clean this car up, so give me time to do it the way I want to since IA got canceled. Go ahead and do the wire tuck. Well, actually, I think I'm gonna just build a harness for this car, so y'all get to see that too. Yeah, there'll be a lot of things that I want to do that I'll get a chance to do now. So let's see how far we can take it. I'm not gonna go too crazy because I don't have a lot of money, but I am gonna do things the right way or the best way I know possible that are efficient and that does work. With that being said, I am going to hop to it, put y'all back on laps, and start ripping this thing down some more. And take this door off and get this thing out of here. Just do as much as I can today because I don't have much time. Wife want me to come in and chill. She said she want to watch scary movies, y'all. She just want to cuddle. That's what that is. So it's cool. I mean, I'm down with that. Panda's about to get ripped down. And that's about it. I mean, it's going to be a lot of new seals. I basically get to rebuild this one like I did my CRX, but that one got stolen, so we never really got a chance to see that thing hit the streets, really. But we'll see what I do to this thing and how far I take it. I've seen people do floating headlights. I kind of like that because I want to do a lot of things. So we're going to see. I got a lot of ideas. Like I said, let me finish ripping this thing apart, putting it all on the laps. I'll explain some stuff later as we're putting it back together. Right now, I just want to get it ripped apart. So with that being said, let's get to it. The car is stripped inside out. I just got the passenger seat still in. Still got to pull out the airbox unit and all that. Drop the steering wheel and all that, but everything else is out of the car. I'll probably start pulling the motor sometime this week, and then pulling this thing out, cleaning out the interior. It's very nasty and get ready to start prepping it inside. But that's where we at for today. I'm about to see what time it is, guys. Like I said, I know the wife want to chill, so I'm gonna probably make this video short and probably add on to it for tomorrow. So until then, that's where I'm at now. I'm gonna get out this car and show y'all all the junk I collected. I'm not sure what I'm going to be keeping, but I gotta get out this car. Interior I collected. This stuff going to trash. All the interior right here, the door, the hood, fenders, seats, headliner, panels, lights. Everything's just not going to be of use will be thrown away, so it's not a cluster or clutter in here. Yeah, I'm just about to pile up all this junk real quick and get the car a little situated. And yeah, so that's where we at. I hope the time lapse was still on while I was still in the car. I don't even know. I heard my phone beep or something, so we'll see if I caught that footage. If not, it's all good. I got a lot more footage to do on this car. As I said, I'm brake line tuck and a whole bunch of other stuff. About to put the skills to use, guys, so stay tuned. All right, to the next, probably tomorrow. I'm about to end this video here. Well, I'll probably just end it here. Ain't much left to see. I mean, y'all know what it's like when the car is torn down. I gotta clean this garage out real quick. So, like I said, it's a lot of trash. That dash was banged up anyway. Took the window out. I'm gonna get a new door. Keeping that door is pretty good. So, like I said, I'll be salvaging things that I can salvage. Everything else will be trashed. So, yeah, that's about it for now. Car's good. I'll end the video here and get back with y'all later. Alright, peace.